Now, finally, we want to do some observation of the formula. If you look at the formula which we maximize here, that's the mutual information between U and Y minus the mutual information between U and S. If we write them as entropies, then we have here the entropy of U minus the entropy of U under the condition Y, and here we have the entropy of U minus the entropy of U under the condition S. So we get exactly this formula because the entropy of U cancelled out. Now we can write here an S and make this smaller. So just by additionally add here this condition, this entropy will be smaller. Then we have here the entropy of U conditional on S minus the entropy of U conditional on Y and S. But this is exactly the mutual information between U and Y under the condition S. And of course, that's the mutual information between X and Y under the condition S. But what does it mean? This means that also the decoder have access to S because we add here somehow the S. And so if you look at the formula now, what we get here, so we get here really an equal if the encoder and decoder have access to S, because then these two entropies are the same. So then we get this formula, the rate is equal to the maximum over the conditional probabilities of X under the condition S of the mutual information of X and Y under the condition S. Now we consider the next case. Now we consider the case that Y is independent of S. Given X, then we can choose UXY to be independent of S and arrive at this formula here. So we get here that RGP is equal to the maximum over PU and F and the mutual information between U and Y. This is, of course, the mutual information between X and Y, and we maximize over X. And this, because S does not depend on this, is equal to the maximum of PX of the mutual information of X and Y under the condition S. So you see here several cases what happened if the decoder have access to Sn, or if Y is independent of S. But this somehow is clear, because then if Y is independent of S, that means this source doesn't have any influence on the channel output. And then that's really what makes only sense, that you get Shannon's formula here.